KVK Thoubal na SINDUNA mushroom gi Maru Marang Puthoknaba unit mushroom spawn production unit among Ngasi KVK Thoubal gi office complex the Hangdokkhre establishment of mushroom spawn production unit at KVK Thoubal for quality spawn supply to SHGs through FPCs as outlet point Hyper project amagi makhada Nawat na sanction tawduna mushroom spawn production unit ama hangdokpagi thoram aduda Department of Horticulture and Soil Conservation Sanjan Thonggi Director K Devadatta Sharma KVK Thoubal gi head su oiribi senior scientist Dr. Jesmarani Sarangthem Nawat Imphal gi General Manager Partha Mandal Manipur Rail Bank ki Chairman Avi Kumar Rice Research Station Wangbal gi Breeders L. Santikiran Devi Amadi District Agriculture Office DAO Thoubal DH Joy Prakasna President Members Sing Oina Saryaki Thoramgi Sargoma Oina Atoiba Mitung Singna Mushroom Spawn Production Unit Adu Hangdokpaga Loinina KVK Thoubal gi Makhada Lairiba Farmer Producer Organization Singna Puthokpa Potlam Sing Utpa Stall Sing Koina Chatuna Yengsinki Amadi KVK Thoubal gi Chahi gi Oiba Sovina Ama Fongbaga Loinina Farmer Producer Company Kharada Sprayer Singsu Yentoki Atoiba Mitungi Warol Piraduna Department of Horticulture and Soil Conservation gi Director K Devadatta Sarmana Hai Piklabasu Pikna Asigumba Mushroom gi Maru Puthoknaba unit ama KVK Thoubal da hangba ngamba asigidamak Nabart amadi mari lenaba pumbabu apenba wafam phongdoki loinina mahakna makata na haikibada Manipur gi mapalam da lairiba Farmer Producer Company Organization kaya na mai pakna thabak tawba ngamlaga Manipur dadi karigidamak mai pakpa ngamdribano haibagi nungnang bawafam phongdoki masibu mai pakhanba ngamnabagi damak farmers singna maromdom individual oina thabak tawbagi mahuta punna collective oina honna minaba amasung matamga chunaba scientific method sing sizinaduna honna batangai fade haiba wafam kaya phongdoki